Fit Precision Mold not only assist you producing products cases but also we help you on PCB prototyping and manufacturing. Whether you're creating, testing or developing an electronic hardware product, we're here to help you build hardwares easier and faster by providing rapid PCB layout design, PCB prototype and SMT assembly. Millions of circuit boards are produced, which provides superior service for automotive electronics, medical electronics, power communications, industrial automation, intelligent home and other industries around the world. Our SMT assembly process including material preparation and examination, stencil preparation, solder-based printing, SMC placement, Reflow soldering, clean and inspection. Clean the boards after soldering, and check if there's any flaws. Rework or repair the defects and store the products. Common equipment related to SMT include magnifying lens, OI, automated optical inspection, flying probe tester, X-ray machine, etc. No matter your designer, engineers, OM or hobbyists, we are always there to helping you realizing your products.